down and follow the updated speed limit. Make sure you honk repeatedly to alert the workers.
Okay, thanks for the heads up.
You have crossed the low speed limit zone now. You can get up to your cruising speed now.
Karthik, have you reached?
No, I am still on my way.
It's too late. The interview has already started. Rajiv is talking to the press.
Sir, what happened out there was incredible. You saved not one but two lives yesterday. Well, I was just doing my job. I did not think it would become such a media sensation. Did you know that the passenger was Minister's relative? I am just finding out the news from you. How did you decide you needed to take that risky call? Actually, my partner Karthik was strongly against it. But in my heart, I knew I had to do the right thing. Things could have gone very wrong. I made a decision that even if this was going to get me fired, I should do the right thing. How do you feel that the woman is naming her newborn son Rajiv in your honor? Well, all I can say is I'm touched by her gesture. I wish the mother and child well. Thanks.